Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Rica Manitas, 41 years old. I live in the Philippines. I am college undergraduate. I am single parent of 2 children. My work experience was in United Arab Emirates. I served 6 persons as nanny house helper. Duties including are cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, tutoring with the children, and playing with them. I work also here in the Philippines as nanny house helper with a couple with a newborn baby. Duties including are cleaning the house, cooking, go to market, washing clothes, ironing, and feed for the baby. To all of my employer out there, if you hire me, I will assure you that I am trustworthy, energetic, have a long patience with the children, and I'll treat your children as my own. Hopefully, Madam and Sir, that my experience is enough to hire me. God bless and thank you.